Hello everyone, I'm Arpan Jain. I'm told to speak about my work profile and about LK Singhania. I mean, why to choose LK Singhania. I did my entire schooling from LK Singhania right from class nursery till class 12th, and I'm a pass out of 2010 batch. I did honors in accountancy and then MBA in finance from Symbiosis Center for Management, NHRD Pune. It was a full-time 2 years of residential program. Post my MBA, I joined investment banking industry. This was not so popular some 10-15 years back, but today this is one of the most sought after work profiles in the country. Currently, I am working with a middle office investment banking firm, wherein I am leading the M&A India team. We are currently supporting a bulge bracket investment banking client, wherein day in day out we work on a lot of data crunching, financial analysis, valuations. We also work on hardcore financial databases such as Bloomberg Terminals, Thomson, Icon, S&P Capital IQ, merger markets. One needs to keep himself abreast of financial markets on a daily basis, and also in this profile literally we need to be awake and alert every single minute of our working hours. Now moving on to LK Singhania, infrastructure wise this school is one of the best in the country, no doubt about it. But talking about academics, I'll categorically stick to the commerce stream, as I'm a pass out of commerce. I was a commerce student in 10+2. So you ask any pass out of this school, they will just say that faculty at this school is one of the best, not in the region but in the entire country. Most of my batchmates are currently chartered accountants, company secretary, MBAs, cost accountants, and they're successfully pursuing career with top corporate houses in the country and abroad. All in all, if you're looking for an academic career with all-round development, fun along with studies, and a great co-living in one of the best residential campuses in India, then LK Singhania should be the preferred choice. Thank you.